Position the wide end of the brace closest to you on a flat surface. Slide the wide end of the top piece into the single slot of the wide end of the brace. Firmly press down the narrow side of the top piece to create a slight bend into the top piece. Carefully slide the narrow end of the top piece into the first position on the base, which is the furthest slot away. This creates the smallest bend and will be the easiest to slide into first. How to use. Slowly lie back onto the back stretcher with knees bent and the wider end closest to you. Be sure your spine is centered in the opening. Set the back of your desired position. Position 1 provides the least amount of stretch for beginners, while position 3 provides the maximum amount of stretch. With your knees bent, rest your arms where you find them the most comfortable. The back stretcher can be used up to 3 times a day in a 5-minute session.